Hey, this is Mark again at Living Water. What I want to show you today is this awesome project up in Summerlin, Las Vegas. And this is a great example of what was done in the 80s and 90s, and now we're upgrading it to the 2024. And this yard is going to be amazing. We're going to take away all the red brick, all of the old school bullnose on these steps and these columns, which we already blew up. This is what's going on in the installation period where we're building the new front yard with the new planters, with stone veneer, more modern looking. These columns are gonna have lights on them. These planters are gonna have trees in them. We're gonna have a nice porcelain paver stairway coming up into an entry courtyard area. And then we're gonna connect that to the driveway. And the driveway is gonna be a key element of the front yard as well. It's a really nice Belgard paver, and you can drive on it, of course, because it's a driveway. And the colors are great too for the tire marks. So this front yard is gonna be completely upgraded, more modern, much nicer than you see originally when we first got the project. And let's face it, this yard, it was dying for a facelift. I mean, this yard needed some help and some love. This thing is gonna turn out beautiful. We're gonna do new landscaping, lighting, plants, rock, irrigation, turf. We're gonna be doing turf in all these front yard areas here and over there. And this yard is just gonna turn out beautiful. So I hope you enjoy it. Make sure you stay tuned, like and subscribe, because there's more to come. If you like to see the finished product, we're gonna be showing that real soon. This should be done in about a month or two. So please stay tuned, and we'd love to let you see the awesome finished product. All right, thanks guys, bye.